Market update for the first. Gonna go ahead and do it about 10 minutes early because unless something drastic happens, I think that it's pretty much done for the day. I don't think any kind of gap down or anything like that or move higher is gonna happen in the last 10 minutes. But let's take a look at the overall chart. So in the last video, I had us coming down to 404, and it's looking like we are setting up, in my opinion, for a gap down tomorrow morning, but that would probably be the bottom short term. So I'm looking for, let's see, 405 is a little bit above the 0.38 fib, or it's actually at the 0.38 fib, I'm sorry. No, it's not. 404 is the 0.38 fib. 405 was one of my projections for where it could go. We could just be going down to the 0.23 fib though, 407.52, maybe even higher than that. But if we zoom in here on the 15 minute, you can see we hit a top right here, and then we have a at the very beginning of the day. We got to move all the way down to 408, and then we got the B wave right here. And you can clearly see that's a B wave, A, B, C, B, and then right here, it looks like, let's see, the B wave actually might be right. No, this is a B wave. 1, 2, 3, 4 is what I see. And so I would be looking for the fibs are not really going to tell the story. I'm guessing somewhere down here, probably around 407, I would guess, if we get a gap down tomorrow. And the VIX, I'm looking at the VIX more than actual SPY right now, because the VIX put in an impulse move this morning. We had actually started on Friday. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the question is this a first wave or is this the A wave? So are we going to do an ABC corrective pattern, or are we going to do a 5-wave move? 5-wave move would project us, take us all the way up to about 25 or so, and we got some resistance up in there. If it's an ABC, I would be looking for somewhere around the 24 area. I don't think that this is A, B, C right here. I think this is only the first wave of the either third wave or the C wave. So it kind of depends on, we're just looking to see what happens from here. If it breaks this parallel line, then I would be putting my money on a 5-wave move. If we kind of just go sideways and go higher up into here, target 24.25, that's actually tomorrow morning. You look at the time frame down here at the bottom. It's around tomorrow morning, 24.25. Then I'd be looking for the gap down and an ABC correction, and then we would be looking at, if we zoom out here, we'd be looking for what I talked about in the last video, 1, 2, 3, 4, somewhere down in here, and then a 5th wave up here to 420 plus, something like that. So then if we go to the dollar, I don't think it's really moving that much today. I can look at it, but let's find out. Dollar is pretty flat the whole day. We zoom out here though to the 2-hour time frame, and you can clearly see that it's getting closer to our projection of 104.74. We got A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. It could stop right here, and that could be 5, but I'm not going to zoom in right now and guess. We'll have to just wait for the bottom on the higher time frame. But the 0.23 fib is 104.74, so you'd expect it to get to at least there, but it doesn't have to. So we could just be A, B, C right here. One clue, we could take the right here, the top of this, 107.44 and 109.30. That's $1.86. And then we go right here and we get, or is this the 5th wave? Either way, it's not that big of a difference. $1.66 less than that is about 100 or 104.50 ish. So I think this pretty much matches up with the most likely scenario. Dollar goes lower. VIX A, B, C most likely. If it's a 5-wave move, we'd be looking for like 25. So 24 or 25 is what I'm looking for. And then on SPY, we'd be looking for a pullback in the morning to 404 to 407, something like that. So, and then after that, higher. If we were to break all the way down here at 401.38, that's the 50% retracement. I would say that there's a very good likelihood that that is the top right here at 413.38, and we are headed down to the move that we've been talking about for a long time down here to a minimum of 340. So we'll see what the VIX does tomorrow. Dollar, don't really care that much right now. It's either bottomed or it's going to go a little bit lower. So it comes down to the VIX. Whatever the VIX does, I expect that to give us a clue on what SPY is going to do here tomorrow. But prediction is gap down tomorrow morning, probably to 407, 408 minimum. So that's the market update. Kind of a sideways day, not really that much going on, but we did get the spike in the VIX, so that was kind of nice to see, to be honest. So I will put out another update probably on Wednesday. I'm actually going out of town tomorrow, so probably won't make a video till Wednesday, but I will definitely make a video then. So I will see you then.